Welcome to LearnCity and welcome to agricultural science class. In our last class, we talked about yam as one of our food crops. In today's class, we're talking about banana. The botanical name is the Musa species. What are the land preparation for banana? One is the clearing of the land, which is followed by the stumpling and making ridges or eaves for the banana. And it can also be done mechanically through the use of the plow, harrowing, and the ridger. What are the varieties of banana? What varieties of banana do we have? We have the gross mature banana, we have the dwarf banana, we have the red banana, we have the canary banana. And what are the climatic and soil requirements? Banana plants requires a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius and rainfall of 150 centimeter to 200 centimeter per annum. And for the soil requirements, a well drained and rich loamy soil. What planting materials do we use in banana cultivation? We use the pepper suckers, we use the sword suckers, and we use the maiden suckers. Propagation or the planting dates. Banana is propagated by vegetative means anytime from April to September. And how do we do it? We dig a hole and plant the sucker with balls of earth. So you put the balls in the soil. The hole should be 60 centimeter to 60 centimeter, and the holes must be filled with some organic matters like our cow dungs, and the poultry waste should be filled with that. What spacing do banana sucker needs? It needs from 4 meter by 4 meter. That's the spacing. What are the cultural practices we need to go about doing on this banana plantation? Number one is weeding. This should be done regularly to prevent competition with crops for nutrients. Mulching. This should be done to prevent evaporation. And fertilizer application would apply nitrate of potash, that's 25 kilogram per hectare, by a ring method at regular intervals. And we will do pruning also, and pruning should be done to avoid overpopulation per stand. And also we have to do pest and diseases control, pest and the insect control. What is the maturity period? It matures between 12 to 18 months depending on its variety. And how do we harvest them? A bunch of banana is harvested when the fruit is served from the bunch stalk by using cutlass. At times, the pseudo stem is cut until the tree falls. When you want to harvest a banana, is either we cut the pseudo stem to make it fall. Once it falls, then we'll be able to harvest the banana. And some will just cut the bunch out of it. But the best method is cutting the pseudo stem. Then you would bring the then you bring the banana out of it. Processing and storage. Banana is either eaten raw when ripe or can be processed into juice, which is stored in cans. The ripe fruits can be stored temporarily in refrigerator. What are the pests of banana? We have the stem borers, the larvae of some insects bore into and destroy the tissue of the plant. How do we control them? We apply dial-drain dust and furadan. We apply them on the stem. And another pest is nematode. It makes the root of the banana to grow gall or knots, leading to poor growth. And how do we control them? We make use of the appropriate nematicides. And another pest of banana is rats and monkey. This eats up the matured or ripe fruits. And how do we control them? We use poisons. We use poisonous baits for them. We set traps, and we also harvest the ripe fruits early. What are the diseases of banana? We have the Panama disease. It is caused by a fungus which is spread through the soil. And what symptoms does this give? It includes the collapsing of the petioid and withering of the leaf. When we notice the banana leaf withering, then we know this is a sign of a Panama disease. And what do we use to control them? We use resistant varieties, and we also spray with fungicides. Another disease is the leaf spot diseases. It is caused by a fungus which is transmitted by air or wind. What symptoms does this give? It includes a yellow or brown chlorotic spot which later unites to form or bind lateral to parallel veins. How do we know the symptoms of this? Yellow or brown chlorotic spots which later unite to form or bind lateral to parallel veins. What do we use to control this leaf spot diseases? We spray with appropriate fungicides. Another disease is bunchy top disease. This is caused by a virus which is transmitted by an insect. Symptoms include stunted plants with crowded leaves, having coiled edges. How do we control them? We ensure feed sanitation, and we burn or bury the infected plants. Thank you very much. We'll see you in our next class. In our next class, we'll be taking cocoa. Thank you.